How are you, Alex? Yeah, you look great today. Always, every day. We're taking the monorail going to Kyoto. There we go. So ayan, itinerary namin sa Kyoto. Punta kami yung Kyoto. So local train. So ano ito pa? Ground level na train. Ang dami nilang ano rito. Mode of transport. Maganda. Ayan. Kirby. That's Kirby. Kirby and Hankyu. Yun na. Lapit ng ano. The Kirby and Hankyu train. Right, Alexandra? Si Kirby, oh. Ganda. Here we go. Hi. Nice dress. Our train is 12:53 p.m. Pero lagi on time ang train dito. There we go. Another train. It's coming. There we go. Lapit. Para. There we go. Local Express. Local Express. I think this is local. Local train. There you go. So we are at Kansai right now. Kansai, Japan. Heading towards the Kyoto. Ang ganda ng lugar dito. So we're in the street of Kyoto, Japan. Look at that. Oh, that train. Oh yeah, galing ah. So we're gonna transfer again to another train. The one, right, Kuya?
Yep.
What time?
6.
Po tayo na. Po kayo ron.
You can pay. Is there a machine? Where's the machine?
Are you okay, Alan? So we're traveling to another, I think, 10 minutes going to Bamboo Castle.
Bamboo Castle?
Parang ganun sabi ni Kuya. Sa ibang lugar naman to. So this is around siguro mga 800 or 700 kilometers away from Tokyo na to. Itong Kyoto. Masyado na siyang malayo. There you go, guys. Ito, papunta to ng Paco, San Andres, no? San Andres Bukid, papuntang Alabang. Ayan, oh. Ito maliit lang na train oh. Oh. Para lang siyang tram, no? Oh. Galing oh. Panibagong na naman nila, no? Mode of transportation, no? Oh. Hindi ganun kainit ngayon dito sa sa Kyoto. Medyo mas malamig siya ng konti. 26 today, I think, compared to Tokyo na 39, 38. Grabe, init doon. Tapos ito naman yung train namin. Papuntang Trabaho Market to. Trabaho Market. Okay. So we're here at the Kimono Forest. So nasa Kyoto na kami. Hi Alan Jerome. Hi, dito na tayo sa Kyoto. Ito. Parang gusto ko ng donut doon, mga masarap. There you go. Tourist destination. Saan tayo, kuya? It looks good. You wanna try that, Alex? Try it, yeah, try it. It's in Japan. Japan's matcha.
Where's the boss?
Ambuma. This is the matcha capital of Japan. Yeah, so tourist area dito ng Kyoto. Dito sa Kimono Forest. Yeah. May gusto ko yung donut dito. Masarap oh. Yan oh. Mga kainan. Wow. Oh, nice. Ano yan, anak? Matcha? Matcha beer. Oh, masarap to. Creme brulee donut. Oh. Masarap yan. Gusto ko yan.
Only anak?
Yes, cash only. I saw it.
Masarap nga ma. Saan yung nandito?
Oh, so there's a donut ice cream.
Creme brulee donut. That's good. Masarap to. Japanese donut. Dito sa donut. Alex, creme brulee donut or matcha, no? Matcha donut? Yeah. Where are you? Matcha ice cream? Ikaw ma? Creme brulee donut too. Good.
There's also creme brulee, pero matcha.
A matcha. Oh. Look at that. I know. So Kyoto, Kimono Forest. And I need the mist fan. Here. Ooh, mist. I need you mist fan.
Mas dito.
Renkon kimchi. Yeah. And a corn. There you go, Lil. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. It's nice. Napoli Doricho Street, oh. Another matcha, oh. Ano yan, ma? Matcha? Ang ganda rito, ma. Oh. Look at it. This is really a traditional Japanese place, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Siguro it's cheaper outside. Yeah. Ay, may patikim sila. Oh, taste na.
Yeah. Ito. Ito yung sinasabi ni Algel. Here's the temple. Okay, I try my best to read it. Tenryo Jishin Temple. Sugenchi Garden. Ayan. Ganda, oh. Gusto sumakay ni Jody Mirito. Yan. Pero mukhang awa ako doon sa ano eh. Oh. Kapapayat eh. Oh. Hingal na yan.
Yan yan, naliko niya.
Teka, yung mga anak mawawala.
Mula.
Na-enjoy ka. Gumagawa na siya ng ginagawa? Shorts. Ako nagbablog siya, gumagawa ng shorts. Mini shorts video. Ayan. Dalawa ko. Okay lang yan, hindi ka nang babanggain yan. Dapat pala nag-kimono ko. Hindi ko nabili, hindi ko nasa kimono ko eh. Oh, Alex, so Snoopy chocolate. Oh, di ka, Snoopy's chocolate. Chocolate. Ayan o, Snoopy chocolate. There. Oh wow, look at that. Ne. That's the bamboo, right, Kuya? Yeah. So, bamboo temple. Sa tayo. Oh, wow.
Atuan ko ang video ko. Bamboo forest. Hindi na turista. Ini Japanese bamboo.
Ay, Japanese na. Makop ka doon.
Kasi alam kayo mo, no?
And he was naming names. He was like,
I'm not going to drop the ball to where. But it was necessary because there are some things that they don't. Somebody comes to the event, you're supposed to be overseeing something. You get drunk.
Those are the sample right there. Eh, temple oh. Ganda. Tayo ka dyan. Pasok ka. Hello.
Dito sila?
Ay no, dari. Ma, dito.
Have you been here before, Mama Nini?
No.
Have you seen the bamboo?
Sige, tuloy.
So we're heading down and we're going to the next destination. See ya. Tapos na kami sa sa Bamboo Garden dito sa sa Kyoto. Ito naman kami sa Asaka Pagoda. Yasaka Pagoda. Sinantay lang namin yung bus namin. Parating na siguro 2:07 ng pero ito 2:03. Ayan. So, ang biyahe namin, ang bakasyon namin north to south. Tapos babalik ulit kami ng Tokyo by Sunday. So, yeah. Get Yasaka Temple at Kyoto. There you go. Jody Me. Hi Jody Me. Ayun, ang ganda anak oh. Anak, Yasaka Temple, right? Kyoto. I seen Yasaka. That's the name.
I think, yeah.
Yeah. Osaka, Yasaka Temple in Kyoto. Kyoto, Japan.
I think there's another view of like the angle maybe
Nice.
on that road.
Nice.
But I think it's also because that's like Google tells them to go.
Matcha mochi.
Thank you.
Matcha mochi.
Oh, that's the one. Thank you.
And peanuts, right? Peanuts.
Yeah, thank you.
And wasabi.
Thank you.
Very pure.
Hi, matcha and peanuts.
So this place was untouched since 15th century. So luman-luma na yan. Pero itong temple, rebuilt na yan, pero 1500 din. So still old. Look at that, huh? Ito talaga anak tawag dito, Back to the Future. Di ba anak?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Because it's never been touched. No? Galing. Nilagyan nila yan na alam mo yung alcatran anak to make the wood stays longer. Na yun, no? Bubayad ka na. Please pay daw. It's okay. Ay, galing.
There's a street view of the tower from up here. Yeah, everyone on here is looking for that. On here? Yeah, they get the view going down.
You wanna go up? No, it's good.
I think we should keep going. It's not long.
Sunset view. Ito mo. Ayun lang.
¿Está la de los tres?
Ganda oh. Ayan na. Shoki. Wow, anak, ang ganda pala oh. Anak, Amaji is from Japan or Korea? There you go. Say guys, hi. May mga prohibited eh, no? Ay, ganda oh.